Disposal account. Okay, so this is a part of the depreciation chapter. You know, this chapter is very common. Every exam series, you see this type of question on your exam paper. Yeah. So today, for your better understanding, I have taken a question from 2023 IGCSE accounting first paper. So I'll show you here how to calculate loss or gain on the disposal. So before we start, let us have a look at the question. Stella charges depreciation at 25% per annum using the reducing balance method. She charges a full year of depreciation in the year of a vehicle is purchased and none in the year it is sold. Okay. On 1st December 2022, Stella sold a vehicle for $9,500. The vehicle had cost $16,000 on 1st September 2020. So here we need to calculate the gain or loss on the disposal of this motor vehicle. Okay, so here we see on the question a motor vehicle is sold for $9,500. Okay, but the cost price of this motor vehicle was $16,000. Okay, so here Stella is the business. She uses reducing balance method. Okay, 25% per annum. Okay, so reducing balance method, how does it work? So we will multiply the rate of depreciation with the cost price. Okay, then we subtract the depreciation to calculate the book value. Okay, and on book value we always calculate depreciation using this reducing balance method. Okay, so here the cost price of the depreciation of the motor vehicle was $16,000. Okay, and this is the cost price on 1st September 2020. Okay, now on 31st December 2022, she is going to dispose this asset. Okay, that means she already used 2 years. Okay, this motor vehicle. Okay, so here, so 2020, for 2020 we will calculate the depreciation first. Okay, 2020 the cost price was $16,000. The rate of depreciation was 25%. Yeah, so now if we multiply, we get here $4,000. Okay, this is the depreciation. Okay, so here 2020 the depreciation was 4. So now for 2021, what will be the depreciation? So here for 2021, the cost price was $16,000. Okay, so we have to calculate the net book value. So net book value equal to cost minus depreciation. Yeah, so previous year depreciation was $4,000. Okay, we will subtract, we will get here $12,000. Okay, so this is net book value. Okay, so now for 2021 we need to calculate depreciation. Okay, on this amount, the net book value to $12,000. Okay, so here if we multiply by 25%, we get $3,000, right? So for these 2 years, 2020 and 2021, she charges depreciation how much? $4,000 here plus $3,000 equal to total she $7,000 she charged depreciation. Okay, so now for 2022, what will be the cost price, the net book value, the net price? So her cost price of the depreciation of the motor vehicle was $16,000, and for the 2 years she already charged depreciation $7,000. So let us minus here $7,000. So right now the net book value of the asset of the motor vehicle is here $9,000, right? This is the net book value. Okay, so here 2020 to 31st December, she will calculate her loss or gain on the disposal of this motor vehicle. 2022 she sold it. Okay, so now question is, what is the selling price? The selling price was $9,500, right? Okay. So now, right now, the book value of our asset is $9,000. Okay. So now, if we subtract the net book value right now from the selling price, she has still $500 extra. Okay. So what is this amount? This is her gain. Okay. Gain on disposal of this motor vehicle. Point to be noted. First of all, we need to calculate the depreciation. First year depreciation was $4,000. Second year depreciation was $3,000. So total we calculated depreciation for 2 years, $7,000. Okay. Then we subtracted the $7,000 depreciation from the cost price. Okay. Right now our net book value is $9,000. Okay. That means the asset value, right now the asset value is $9,000, but Stella, she sold this asset for $9,500. Okay, quite simple. So if we subtract now 9,000, we get here $5,000, which is a gain for her.